Hey guys, Lewis here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys again how to do product research for Amazon FBA business. But before I start, I want to invite you guys again to join my free VIP Amazon group where I do my free weekly coaching calls, and it's also a good place for Amazon sellers like you to network with other sellers. So with that said, here is the video for today. Let's move my chair. So yeah, product research, right? What you do is you guys open up your Amazon link and your supplier link. So very straightforward. You open them up, and then you make sure that the products are matching, right? So I usually look at the title, description, size, color, photo. So it's very similar to grocery shopping. So when someone gave you like a list, right, of products to buy at the grocery store, you just make sure that they match. So it's a very similar concept. So this one is cucumber aloe cleansing conditioner. So this one here is a 16 fluid ounce one, right? So this is it right there, 16 fluid ounces. I think it's the same product, but the packaging is slightly different, and that's okay as long as the products are the same. And then from here, you plug in the cost, right? So this product is $32 right there. So you plug it here, 32 bucks. And the sale price is the price on Amazon, so it's currently at $48.99, I believe. So it's giving us a negative, not negative, but a low ROI. The sales per month is not too good at $25, $25, 25 sales a month, right? So from here, you would go to the bottom of your listing, and then you would see, right, if you're able to share the sales with other sellers, that's one. And also number two is the where are people pricing this product? Because if it's priced too low, right, you're getting a lower ROI. So as you guys can see here, people are pricing this product at $47.49, which gives you a 2% ROI. So obviously, we're not going to go for a product, sell them on Amazon, and only make 2%, right, or even 6%. This is way too low of a margin. So to me, I usually go for products that are going to give me at least 20% ROI. So in this case, I'm going to skip this one because the ROI is pretty low for me, right? It doesn't give me any room for, potential price decrease. So yeah. Next one is a Neutrogena fragrance free ultra gentle foaming face wash. It's at Walmart for $10.79. So I would just briefly look at the products if they're matching. So it looks the same, right? So fluid ounces. Yeah, it looks like the same products. The packaging is slightly different from each other, but I think it's very not very, but it's the same product. So different packaging, same product. And then from here, I would plug in the numbers again. So 1072 is the price of the product. Sale price is 21.54, which gives us a negative 10 ROI, right? A negative 10% ROI. So I usually like to look at the other sellers to see if there's anything good here, but obviously these other sellers here are pricing this product at 19, as low as 1978, which gives you a negative 25% ROI. So obviously we're not going to buy a product that's going to give us a negative 25% ROI. So this one is going to be skipped, just because this product is giving us a negative ROI, which of course we're not going to do. So there's that. Next product is here. Let me close these products right there. So next product is a Bully Dog block replacement. I think it's a TV part. So let's see if they match. So Bully Dog 40400-105. 40400-105. Okay. Same product, OBD. OBD is, I don't know what that is. OBD, some type of code that they use for this product. So um, the only problem with this is that there's, I think, number two here, OBD2, and this one is an OBD. I mean, it's the same exact brand, right? And even the model number is here. So, um, yeah, I'm not so sure if they're exactly the same product. But let's just run the numbers and see if it's worth the risk. Because sometimes some products are worth the risk, and sometimes they're not. So I'm gonna plug in the cost. So this one is $34.99, right? Let's see, $34.99. Okay, and it's giving us a 13 sales a month, which is very low. Um, yeah, I don't think this is good anyway because a lot of the people in the listing is pricing this product at as low as $48, right? Which gives you a 4% ROI. And again, it's good to start off with a product that gives you at least a 20% ROI. That way, you have some room to, just like room for potential price decrease, right? Because if it started at 4% and when people start to decrease the price, you're going to be priced out, and that's not going to be good for a business. So there's that. So this one is going to be a skip. And then, okay, next one is iLive Bluetooth under the cabinet music system. So, let's see if they match. Looks like they're matching. So let's plug in the price, right? So $51.99 is the price, the product. There, so sale price is $63.99. So let's see the other sellers where they're like pricing a product. So this one is another negative, right? As you guys can see here, these other sellers are selling their product as low as $62, which gives you a negative 11% ROI. So obviously we're not going to buy this because, you're going to be losing out on money, right? If you buy products with a negative ROI. So this one is going to be a skip. And I hope you guys got value from the video. And again, if you guys haven't joined my free VIP Amazon group, I'm going to post the link in my description below. That way you guys can join my free Amazon calls and also connect with other sellers. And with that said, I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye-bye.